Let's take a look at this problem. We got 5xy over 14x to the third divided by 10x squared over 21. Okay, well, first thing, we never actually divide. We're going to rewrite as multiplication. So I'm going to flip the second fraction, take the reciprocal of it. So it becomes 21 over 10x squared. Now we'll go through our two steps for multiplying fractions. First step is to simplify. Well, here's a 5 and here's a 10. Those are both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now the 1xy, I can drop the 1. Unless you have nothing else left up on a fraction, you can drop the 1. If everything's gone, then put the 1. And then I got 14x to the third times 21 over 2x squared. Now I see the 14 and 21, they're both divisible by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And so we're going to get xy over 2x to the third times 3 over 2x squared. Now, number-wise, we've done as much as we can. And there's different ways you could continue simplifying with the variables, but let's go ahead and just multiply them together. I kind of like this approach a little bit better now that I'm thinking about it. Now, up on top, I don't have any numbers besides the 3, so the 3 just is there. And then I put x and y. Now down below we got 2 times 2, which is 4. And we got x to the third times x squared. Now the property says you add your exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5, so it means we'll have 5 x's. But it's a lot easier than that for this point in time. Just think of it, you got 3 x's and you got 2 x's. So you got 5 x's. Okay, now let's handle the variables. Now we got an x here, and if I were to put a power on that, that'd be like x to the first. Okay, so we're going to have 3 there and 4 here. Now we got x to a power over x to a power. Now we're going to subtract the smaller exponent from the larger one. So we got 5 minus 1 gives us 4, and we're going to have x to this power, x to the fourth power, where our larger exponent was, which was down below. Now we only have a y up on top, so it just stays up on top. And that would be our answer.